So as you guys can tell, I am somewhere. You don't know where. But before I tell you guys where I am, I'm gonna take y'all back to how I got here. This long path here, I'm already tired and the sun hot. But this board here, oh, they have snakes. Oh, nope. But we have to go up this hill here. This, and I'm already tired. I hope I don't see no snake because I cannot handle seeing a snake. So yeah, oh, I'm tired. Why am I here? Oh my god. Why am I here? I don't do bugs. Welcome to Fort Show.
Is she? Who is she? It's
you guys hear that? Where are we? Who knows? Oh, I'm gonna bust my ass. We're by the river. It's so pretty, but I'm afraid to drop my phone in the water. So, who is she? Who is she? It's me. On our way to the chocolate factory. I can't say the name. I think it's like Point something something chocolate factory. So we are on our way there. It will take us about roughly, it's probably an hour.
Point Baptiste Chocolate Factory.
Okay, so it's Point Baptiste. I was right. Point Baptiste Chocolate Factory, and it is about about that one. So we have our start together. 99 balls, okay, 99 balls, okay. Take one down, 98 balls, okay, come on, 98 balls, okay. Knock one down, turn it around. They have that step up. Guys, look, there's bamboo growing on the side of the road. Look at that. I love to see the bamboo growing on the side of the road. It's so pretty. Look at this one. Look at it. Oh, they have any pandas? Alrighty guys, so we're here at the chocolate factory. I'm excited to make some chocolate. I don't know what kind of chocolate I'm gonna make. I don't really like chocolate like that, but I'll try it. I mean, if I make my own chocolate, then I would like my own chocolate. Are you excited to make your own chocolate?
Yeah.
So what do you call this?
In Dominica, carambola. For us, we will call it star.
Star fruit? Okay. Okay, should I press it? Oh, ring here for service. I should ring.
You really click it? You really click it?
Yeah.
Bring it to this oven. Takes about 45 to 50 minutes roasting for centigrades of 130 degrees and 250 degrees Fahrenheit. Purpose for roasting the beans is to bring out much better and richer substance for the chocolate, and to also makes the skin comes out easy. While it's warm, takes it to the breaker or the grind. Put it here, grinds it into small of beans and skin. And the mixture that we get from here, we put on the vacuum, put some mixture in the winnower, goes down, sucks up the skin, and the heavier pieces of beans falls in the grain container, and the skins in the oil. Now this fine skin is used as compost, also to make black tea, and presently used in Dominica to make cocoa powder.
Thank you, nice.
So when they use it again, it's going to ferment and mix alcohol and vinegar. After that 6 days of fermentation, put it on any one of the racks to dry. And if it's sun, it's this one. If it's rain, it's this two. So the mix that you get from upstairs, this is a beans. Put it in either one of the mixers. That's the same time you add the different flavors, ingredients, and sugar. Now this chocolate, we try them in the oven again, and this one is rum. So let's put some of this. Okay. So in terms of fruits, we have in banana, mango, pineapple, baking chocolate, and rum.
Lemongrass chocolate, dark chocolate for those people who like dark chocolate, dark chocolate and cocoa nibs, same thing, and mint chocolate. What's this one? Milk chocolate.
With 100% cocoa.
How you end up in the people them box? Alrighty guys, so we're done the tour with the factory. It was pretty good. I don't really like chocolate, so the chocolate didn't really
Chocolate.
taste, so but it was still good. I enjoyed it. I enjoyed the little tour and learning about different stuff, and like, did they say something about rum or wine? Ferment it to make it into like rum or wine, something like that.
I remember.
You don't remember?
No.
He was eating.
Yeah.
Anyways, so yeah, we're on our way to Red Rock. Ooh, to get some food. I'm hungry.
Red Rock's off.
We have made it. Ooh, this looks nice. Yum, 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 yum. Guys, look at the rabbit.
Rabbit!
And they have turtles. Look at the turtles. Alrighty guys, so we are done with Red Rock because they didn't have any food. They said they recently just opened, so they were giving like the chef like a test run or something like that, test cook something. So tomorrow they will be right. So tomorrow they will be open from the original time to and closed from the original time. So right now we're heading somewhere else for food. I don't know where they said because I didn't hear what they were saying. But yes, hopefully it should be good. I'm excited. Okay guys, we made it somewhere. Oh, I'm tired.